Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 9 to power x. This is equal to 90. So what is the value of x? Solution from here. Solution. Now we have 9 to power x. This is equal to 90. So to solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 9 to power x. This is equal to log 90. So now, log 9 to power x, this is in the form of log 8 to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property, then here we have that log 9 to power x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 90. So let's divide both sides by log 9, so that now x is equal to log 90 divided by log 9. So the next step from here, we can express 90 as 10 multiplied by 9. So substituting this, we have x is equal to log 10 multiplied by 9, all this divided by log 9. So log 10 times 9, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can essentially express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then x will be equal to log 10 divided by log 9 plus log 9 divided by log 9. So log 9 and log 9 simplifies, so this is the same thing as 1. So that now, here we have 1 plus log 10 divided by log 9. Now, the next step from here, we can express 10 as 5 times 2. And we can express 9 basically as 3 to power 2. So let's substitute this. X is equal to 1 plus, now here we have log 5 times 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. Now this implies that here we have 1 plus, now log 5 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So now here we have log 5 divided by log 3 to power 2 plus log 2 divided by log 3 squared. So let's proceed from here. Here we have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 3 squared plus log 2 divided by log 3 squared. Now, log 3 to power 2, this is in the form of log 8 to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this property, then here we have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 3 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 3. So in this case, we have that log 5 divided by log 3 and log 2 divided by log 3. This is in the form of log a divided by log b. And this can be expressed as log a to base b. So applying this property, we have x is equal to 1 plus half log 5 to base 3, then plus half log 2 to base 3. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step from here, let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 9 to power x, this is supposed to give us a value of 90. Substituting the value of x here, we have 9 to power 1 plus half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. So now as you can see here, 9 to power 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3. This is actually in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we have 9 to power 1 times 9 to power a half log 5 to base 3 multiplied by 9 to power a half log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. The next step from here, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So here we have 9 times, now here we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So we have 3 to power 2 times half log 5 to base 3 times 3 to power 2 times a half log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. So as you can see here, this is 9 times, now 3 to power 2 times a half, you simplify here. So this is 3 to power log 5 to base 3 times 3 to power 2 times a half, we simplify here. So times 3 to power log 2 to base 3, this should equal to 90. Let's proceed from here. Now we have that 3 to power log 5 to base 3 and 3 to power log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which can give us a value of a. So in this case, we have 3 to power log 5 to base 3. This will give us a value of 5. And 3 to power log 2 to base 3. This will give us a value of 2. So let's substitute these values. We have 9 times 3 to power log 5 to base 3, which is 5, times 3 to power log 2 to base 3, which is 2. So times 2, this should give us a value of 90. So 9 times 5, this is 45, times 2, and this is equal to 90. So from here, 45 times 2, this is 90, and this is clear that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which essentially is equal to 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video so that it can be recommended to other viewers, and subscribe. Bye bye.